everybody. Miss Dee is out on her walk along the path today. And oh my goodness, I have found something super exciting. I don't know if you can tell. Can you see the little teeth marks all over this? Do you know what's been chewing on this? Anybody want to guess? To live near water. And he likes to make little dams. A beaver. What sound does beaver start with? Buh, 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 buh. Beaver. But a beaver chewed on this, and then the log fell into the water. But he also likes to apparently eat the bark. He doesn't just chew the wood to knock it down. He chews on the bark too. Do you like to eat bark? I don't like to eat bark. All right, friends. Bye-bye.